My name is Professor Andrew Barron. I'm the Circumary Chair at Swansea University in the Energy Safety Research Institute. And one of the areas that we study is the cleaning up of water from the oil and gas industry. In a country such as Qatar, water is a vital resource. And having a source of that water that can be used for a wide variety of applications is very important, specifically if it can come from wastewater itself. So the biggest source of wastewater in Qatar is what's called produced water. It's the water that's generated at the same time as oil or natural gas. The problem is that it contains bacteria and, critically, it contains hydrocarbons. It actually contains the same chemicals that are present in oil. So what the advantage of our process has been to create a membrane system, a filter system, that allows to separate the oil from the water and in such a way that the membrane doesn't block up, it doesn't foul. So the critical component is what we call a superhydrophilic membrane that allows us to separate the oil, which has a value, and we can separate the clean water, which can be used initially for the oil industry, it can be used for the chemical industry, or it can be used for irrigation, which has become such a vital part of the landscape of Qatar.
Short answer is no, we haven't. But the slightly longer answer is...
Hello, I'm Darren Oatley Radcliffe from ESRI, the Energy Safety Research Institute at Swansea University. We're involved in decarbonising industry, and one of our major projects is called RICE, Reduced Industrial Carbon Emissions. In this project, I'm growing algae. Algae are a microorganism that are photosynthetic, and they take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and they build that up into building blocks of life, which creates nutritional supplements, it creates pigments that we can then harvest from the algae and sell as an actual product, which is economically very viable while at the same time remediating climate change.